Hi guys, welcome back. Let's talk about the two quick ways to show Chrome address bar at the bottom on your iPhone. Customizing your browsing experience on your iPhone can make a noticeable difference in comfort and usability, especially when it comes to navigation. One small but impactful change is moving the Chrome address bar to the bottom of the screen, making it easier to reach with your thumb during one-handed use. So, if you often find the top bar inconvenient, this setting can help you streamline your browsing and improve accessibility. That said, let's get started. So, first you have to launch the Google Chrome app on your iPhone, and then you have to hit the three dot menu located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you have to swipe to find the settings icon and tap on it. After that, you have to choose the address bar option. And finally, you have to choose the bottom option, and you're all set. Alternatively, you can just long press on the address bar and select Move Address Bar to Bottom, and that's pretty much it. Switching the Chrome address bar to the bottom is a simple trick that can significantly enhance your browsing experience on your iOS device. It not only improves reachability but also makes everyday navigation more intuitive, especially on larger screens. Once you have enabled this setting, you will likely find browsing more comfortable and efficient. So keep exploring Chrome settings to further personalize your experience and get the most out of your device. And I'll catch you in the next one.